I were to say that you were my love, would you break me with stones? Would you cut out my tongue? If I were to say that I was your knife, would you put me in deep for the rest of your life? Oh, cold bird, won't you fly to me? I said, oh, cold bird, won't you fly to me? If I were to say that you were my fiddle, would you make me your bow? Would you play just a little? If I were to say that I was your breath, would you blow me away, hold me to death? Oh, cold bird, won't you fly to me? I said, oh, cold bird, won't you fly to me? Such a long way, such a long way, such a long way, such a long way. If I were to say that you were my bird, would you sing me a song and not sing a word? If I were to say that you were my sun, would you fly to my north or fly to my mouth? Oh, cold bird, won't you fly to me? I said, oh, cold bird, won't you fly to me? Fly to me. Oh, cold bird, won't you fly to me? Won't you fly to me? Won't you fly to me? Yeah. Oh, cold bird, won't you fly to me? Won't you fly to me? Won't you fly to me? Yeah. Oh, cold bird, won't you fly to me? Won't you fly to me? Won't you fly to me? Yeah. Oh, cold bird, won't you fly to me? Won't you fly to me? Won't you fly to me? Yeah. Oh, cold bird, won't you fly to me? Won't you fly to me? Won't you fly to me? Yeah.
Thank you.